it's Sharon from the Stitching Kitchen, and I'm here in beautiful San Antonio, Texas at the Mirabilia Stitching Retreat with
Karen McEwen from Meridian Designs for Cross Stitch.
And my design company is called Brush Street Design Works. And we have some great news for you.
It's very exciting.
We're going to be in St. Charles, Missouri in September on, the
You're asking me the dates, right?
The 20th, 21st, and 22nd.
What she said.
And both of us are going to be fortunate enough to teach a little make and take class. And so we want to show you a few things that we're going to be showing for you to buy in our room, the best room in the whole place. So why don't you start and show some of your bikinis?
Well, I've got bikinis, yes. If you've possibly heard of the bikini lady, that's me. I have been designing for about 2.5 years, and I started with a series of teeny weeny bikinis, and I've got about 29 of them now. A couple of them here that are some of the more popular ones. This is July. I have one for each month of the year, and this is Santa Baby. Santa Baby is kind of a little play on a Santa suit, but really cute with some holly and all that. This is my newest bikini.
Here, I think we get.
This is. Whoops! I got
There
it.
you go.
I got it.
Okay.
This is Kissing Fish. I love this one. I used to see goldfish, and my aunt and uncle had a big fish tank, and they had these cute little fish that would pucker, and they'd come up to each other, and I thought that was the cutest thing. So I did a little bikini. So there's 29 bikinis so far, 12 months, and then a whole bunch of others. But in addition to those, I do other more dreamy, romantic type designs. I was originally inspired by Mirabilia, my favorite designer. And I love the idea of the beautiful ladies in gowns and that sort of thing. My first series, they were called Dream Weavers, and they are celestial beings that weave our dreams and dance through the night sky. That was Dreamweaver Enigma. She's a yellow dress with brunette hair. And Dreamweaver Jubilee. She's a blonde with a pink dress. And she's very happy. And this is Rapture, Dreamweaver Rapture. And she's just
It's beautiful.
feeling all rapturous. She's one of my favorites. But then I recently started a series of pheasants. I was inspired by some very colorful, beautiful birds. Their real life feathers are just amazing, and I said, I have to do something with those. So I started the pheasant series. These are the first two. This is Lady Amherst pheasant, and when you get her chart, there's a little picture of one of the birds that inspired it, and she's a sassy little thing strutting down the runway. And this is Golden Pheasant. This was the original bird that I saw at a petting zoo that caught my eye. And
Wait till you see this.
this is the
Wait,
real thing.
just wait. There it is.
There's the real. And I like to do a lot of bling, tons and tons of crystals. I don't know if you can catch the sparkles in here. She's got lots of crystals, lots of beads, some metallic threads, some silks, some over-dyed silks. I work very closely with Dinky Dyes, and I love their silks. And she's my baby, and there's more coming. There's also, I'm working on a cute little Christmas series that I'm hoping will be out by the time we get to Galleria.
Right.
And then the class I'm doing, you'll actually get a kit. We probably won't really, I only have about 15 minutes, so you'll get the kit, you'll get the pattern. And it'll be, she's going to be really cute.
Okay, so my designs are another opportunity for you to stretch your cross-stitching vibe. I started with a snowman in the desert from Las Vegas, ha ha ha. And they're called snow guys for the season. This is spring, and I have, no,
Summer.
it's summer. It's summer. And
It's sunburn weather.
Yeah,
I'm very sunburned.
She is. And this happens to be spring. Whoops, I don't want the light. There you go. And then I have winter and I have autumn, and they'll be available in St. Charles. And then I thought, Brush Street Design Works, what can I do with that? So I created little streets. And so the one street that I love is the 1031 Brush Street. And it's a little Halloween, and I had it finished as a box, which is a really great way to do it.
So
And
clever.
this is the chart, and the charts are done really, really well. Really good. A friend of mine is just, whoop, that's not good. You can really see the symbols, and you can read the charts easily. So you're going to have a wide variety in our room of all kinds of stuff for you to buy, and we know you're going to party in our room too, because we have fun stuff in there.
We are going to be the party room.
That's right.
Look for the lavender sparkling lit up window and the Las Vegas music vibe.
That's it.
We're going to be the crazy ones.
Okay, so that's the Stitching Kitchen. We're going to go back to the Mirabilia Minions retreat. So bye-bye.
Bye. See you in St. Charles.
Whoops, I got to get out of this boot.